Welcome to the chapter Let's Go to Village. This slide presents the overview of the chapter. Learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to define transportation, classify different modes of transportation, list the different means of transportation, identify the means of transportation for villagers, compare the means of transportation in the olden days and at present. Let us start our chapter with the introduction. Vehicles are used to travel from one place to another. We can reach our destination by traveling in these vehicles. There are different modes of transportation. Some of them are used on land, some sail on water, and some fly in the air. Do you know the names of vehicles which travel on land, water, and air? Whether the vehicles in the past were similar to the ones in the present? The names of the animals that are used as a means of transport? Let us know. Let us try to answer these questions and learn more about different modes of transportation. First, let us learn what is meant by transportation. The movement of people and things from one place to the other is called transport or transportation. The way of transportation can be any medium of transport. Different means of transport are used for different modes of transportation. Sometimes we use different means to travel from one place to another, that is, in one journey from place to place, we may use air, road as well as water. Let us know what are the different modes of transportation. The major modes of transportation that we commonly use in our life are land transport, water transport, and air transport. Land transport. All vehicles that move on land like scooters, trains, cycles, buses, trucks, etc. are called land transport. Land transport is subdivided into roadways and railways. Water transport. Water transport includes boats, ships, steamers and submarines. Air transport. Air transport includes airplanes, helicopters, gliders and rockets, which are a very fast means of transport. Air transport is more expensive when compared to the other means of transport. Rockets are used to go out of the Earth's atmosphere in space. This is the fastest means of transport. With rockets, human beings are able to reach the moon now. Let's perform an activity. Drag and drop the pictures of modes of transportation onto the correct column respectively. Here, let us study the different means of transport. The vehicles which we use for traveling are called means of transport. Different vehicles are used based on the distance and time. To nearby places, people go on foot, auto rickshaw, cycle, boat, horse cart or tanga, etc. To reach distant places, people travel by bus, train, car, jeep, motorcycle, etc. In order to go to other countries, they travel by aeroplane or ships. Let's do an activity. Drag and drop the given pictures onto the empty space provided based on the distance they are used for traveling. Knowledge check. Attempt the following questions to check your understanding. Now, let us know how the people living in forests and poor villages travel. People living in all villages need different vehicles to travel. Most of the villages have roads and buses to travel to other villages. But the people living in forest areas and in poor villages do not have proper roads to travel to other villages. Hence, they travel by bullock carts, bicycles, motorcycles and auto rickshaws. Bulls, horses are mostly used for pulling the carts. In some places, elephants, donkeys and camels are also used for traveling. In some villages, people use bullock carts, bus, van, lorry, tractor to attend the marriages and fairs. In some of the villages, people migrate to different places in search of jobs. They take their goods along with them. For this, they travel by bullock carts, tractors, and vans. In some places, people also travel by boats. Now, let us learn about some precautions to be taken while traveling. Traveling in heavily packed vehicles with overloaded passengers is very dangerous. Avoid traveling in private vehicles like tractors, jeeps, lorries, autos, etc. Let us know the difference between the transportation in the olden days and the present days. In the past, there was only one mode of transportation, that was land. People used to travel on land by foot. But later on, lots of inventions took place and humans started transportation through air as well as by water. Nowadays, there are several means of transport like trains, automobiles, ships, boats, planes and helicopters, etc. Knowledge check. Attempt the following questions to check your understanding. Keywords. List of keywords are shown on the screen. Summary. Let us recap the highlights of this chapter. Vehicles are used to travel from one place to another. There are different modes of transport. Some of them are used on land, some sail on water and some fly in the air. The movement of people and things from one place to the other is called transport. The major modes of transport that we commonly use in our life are land transport, water transport and air transport. The vehicles which we use to travel are called means of transport. Animals like bull, camel, donkey, horse, elephant are also used as means of transport. Different vehicles are used depending on the distance to be traveled. Traveling in heavily packed vehicles with overloaded passengers is very dangerous. Avoid traveling in private vehicles like tractors, jeeps, lorries, autos, etc. In the past, there was only one mode of transport, that was soil. People used to travel in soil by foot. Improve your learning. Read the questions and attempt the answers on your own. You can click answer for your reference. Follow-up work. Take up the following activities. Observe the pictures given below. Color the ones which are used in your village. On what occasions do people arrange special buses? Read the names of the following vehicles. Find out the areas where they are used. Observe the pictures given below. How did the people of the olden days travel? Ask your elders and grandparents and know about the vehicles of their time. Make a toy train with matchboxes. Write the similarities and differences between a bicycle and a motorcycle. Draw the pictures of any two vehicles you like. Name them. Observe the vehicles that ply in your street for 1 hour on any Sunday. Fill the table with the particulars. Make vehicles with clay, cardboard, etc. Exhibit them in your class. Test your understanding of the chapter by taking the mock unit test. You have successfully completed the chapter Let's Go to Village.